1. PAIL buy. PAIL closing price 22 Pakistani rupees and 75 paise. PAIL volume 8,549,587 shares traded. PAIL indicators. PAIL ADX 17.23 indicates a weak trend strength. PAIL RSI 50.31 near the middle range, suggesting balance between buyers and sellers. PAIL Awesome Oscillator 0.70 slight positive momentum. PAIL daily percentage change 2.11% indicates a recent downtick in price. PAIL support, resistance, support at 19 Pakistani rupees and 44 paise, resistance at 26 Pakistani rupees and 24 paise. 2. Unity strong buy. Unity closing price 25 Pakistani rupees and 28 paise. Unity volume 22,021,403 shares traded. Unity indicators. Unity ADX 15.53 very weak trend strength, volatility likely. Unity RSI 67.88 high, indicating strong buying pressure. Unity Awesome Oscillator 0.69 minimal but positive momentum. Unity daily percentage change 1.49% recent positive price movement. Unity support, resistance, support at 19 Pakistani rupees and 91 paise, resistance at 26 Pakistani rupees and 97 paise. 3. BAFL buy. BAFL closing price 59 Pakistani rupees and 4 paise. BAFL volume 838,960 shares traded. BAFL indicators. BAFL ADX 26.35 moderate trend strength. BAFL RSI 69.08 indicates potential overbuying. BAFL Awesome Oscillator 3.69 noticeable positive momentum. BAFL daily percentage change 0.79% slight increase in price. BAFL support, resistance, support at 46 Pakistani rupees and 82 paise, resistance at 61 Pakistani rupees and 8 paise. 4. SEARL buy. SEARL closing price 57 Pakistani rupees and 4 paise. SEARL volume 7,455,080 shares traded. SEARL indicators. SEARL ADX 21.41 low trend strength. SEARL RSI 54.52 mid range slight buying pressure. SEARL Awesome Oscillator 2.26 small positive momentum. SEARL daily percentage change 0.40% a slight recent decline in price. SEARL support, resistance, support at 46 Pakistani rupees and 20 paise, resistance at 59 Pakistani rupees and 36 paise. 5. OGDC strong buy. OGDC closing price 137 Pakistani rupees and 15 paise. OGDC volume 7,239,643 shares traded. OGDC indicators. OGDC ADX 23.30 indicates a moderate trend strength. OGDC RSI 66.00 strong buying pressure. OGDC Awesome Oscillator 8.23 significant positive momentum. OGDC daily percentage change 0.48% modest upward movement. OGDC support, resistance, support at 109 Pakistani rupees and 5 paise, resistance at 138 Pakistani rupees and 80 paise. 6. FCCL strong buy. FCCL closing price 20 Pakistani rupees and 71 paise. FCCL volume 7,989,757 shares traded. FCCL indicators. FCCL ADX 34.10 strong trend strength. FCCL RSI 70.04 high indicating strong demand. FCCL Awesome Oscillator 2.25, positive momentum. FCCL daily percentage change, 0.83%, noticeable increase. FCCL support, resistance. Support at 15 Pakistani rupees and 35 paise, resistance at 19 Pakistani rupees and 57 paise. 7. PIBTL buy. PIBTL closing price, 6 Pakistani rupees and 78 paise. PIBTL volume, 17,886,000 shares traded. PIBTL indicators. PIBTL ADX, 24.27, moderate trend strength. PIBTL RSI, 64.93, strong buying pressure. PIBTL Awesome Oscillator, 0.73, slight positive momentum. PIBTL daily percentage change, 3.14%, significant recent price drop. PIBTL support, resistance. Support at 5 Pakistani rupees and 17 paise, resistance at 6 Pakistani rupees and 50 paise. 8. NRL buy. NRL closing price, 295 Pakistani rupees and 94 paise. NRL volume, 1,224,871 shares traded. NRL indicators. NRL ADX, 16.87, weak trend strength. NRL RSI, 55.47, near the midpoint, indicating balanced buying and selling pressures. NRL Awesome Oscillator, 14.87, noticeable positive momentum. NRL daily percentage change, 0.69%, modest increase in price. NRL support, resistance. Support at 199 Pakistani rupees and 96 paise, resistance at 347 Pakistani rupees and 34 paise. 9. MLCF buy. MLCF closing price, 37 Pakistani rupees and 67 paise. MLCF volume, 3,303,092 shares traded. MLCF indicators. MLCF ADX, 24.00, moderate trend strength. MLCF RSI, 53.91, slightly above the midpoint, indicating mild buying interest. MLCF Awesome Oscillator, 1.30, small positive momentum. MLCF daily percentage change, 0.53%, slight increase in price. MLCF support, resistance. Support at 31 Pakistani rupees and 30 paise, resistance at 41 Pakistani rupees and 29 paise. 10. PPL buy. PPL closing price, 114 Pakistani rupees and 5 paise. PPL volume, 5,499,839 shares traded. PPL indicators. PPL ADX, 15.26, very weak trend strength. PPL RSI, 58.09, moderately high, indicating some buying interest. PPL Awesome Oscillator, 2.50, positive momentum. PPL daily percentage change, 0.27%, small increase in price. PPL support, resistance. Support at 96 Pakistani rupees and 16 paise, resistance at 124 Pakistani rupees and 67 paise. 11. DGKC buy. DGKC closing price, 78 Pakistani rupees and 54 paise. DGKC volume, 5,496,092 shares traded. DGKC indicators. DGKC ADX, 31.21, strong trend strength. DGKC RSI, 70.98, high, suggesting potential overbuying. DGKC Awesome Oscillator, 6.53, significant positive momentum. DGKC daily percentage change, 2.21%, notable increase in price. DGKC support, resistance. Support at 58 Pakistani rupees and 1 paisa, resistance at 75 Pakistani rupees and 44 paise. 12. ATRL buy. ATRL closing price, 407 Pakistani rupees and 27 paise. ATRL volume, 1,242,101 shares traded. ATRL indicators. ATRL ADX, 32.49, strong trend strength. ATRL RSI, 64.56, strong buying pressure. ATRL Awesome Oscillator, 27.90, high positive momentum. ATRL daily percentage change, 0.43%, slight increase in price. ATRL support, resistance. Support at 316 Pakistani rupees and 78 paise. Resistance at 422 Pakistani rupees and 18 paise. 13. PSO buy. PSO closing price, 179 Pakistani rupees and 60 paise. PSO volume, 1,394,534 shares traded. PSO indicators. PSO ADX, 21.06, low trend strength. PSO RSI, 56.76, near the midpoint, indicating balanced market conditions. PSO Awesome Oscillator, 7.90, noticeable positive momentum. PSO daily percentage change, 0.44%, recent decrease in price. PSO support, resistance. Support at 149 Pakistani rupees and 94 paise. Resistance at 189 Pakistani rupees and 30 paise.